Welcome back, little learners. Let's keep going and learn more letters. Today we will learn E, F, G, and H. Are you ready? Let's go. E says elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. E is for egg. E-J, egg. E is for engine. E-N-J-I-N-E, engine. F says F. Repeat after me. F. F is for fish. F-I-S-H, fish. F is for fan. F-A-N, fan. F is for frog. F-R-O-G, frog. G says G. Repeat after me. G. G is for goat. G-O-A-T, goat. G is for gift. G-I-F-T, gift. G is for grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Letter H. H says H. Repeat after me. H. H is for hot. H-A-T, hat. H is for hen. H-E-N, hen. H is for horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Awesome! Now let's say them together. E, F, G, H. Yay! You're doing such a great job. See you next time for more letters. Bye-bye!